A wrongful death lawsuit has been filed against the commissioner of the Alabama Department of Corrections. It was filed by the family of Daniel Williams. Williams was an inmate who died after allegedly being raped and beaten at a state prison. CBS 42's Scott Minshall spoke with an attorney representing the family. He joins us now in the newsroom. Scott, what can you tell us about this lawsuit so far?
The attorney describes it as a social justice case. It's been a little over a year since Daniel Williams died. The chief medical examiner for the state has classified his death as a homicide. 22-year-old Daniel Williams, a father of two, was serving a little under a year in prison for an assault and theft charge. He was scheduled to be released from the Staton Correctional Facility on November 9, 2023.
Within days of reaching that time when he would be freed, he was held against his will, sexually assaulted, raped, and was beat nearly to the point of unconsciousness.
The lawsuit says Williams' family was told he had overdosed. When they went to see him in the hospital, they found a different story.
He was so severely beaten in his head, he had massive bruising and indentations around his skull.
The chief medical examiner for the state of Alabama has ruled Daniel Williams' death a homicide. No charges have been filed against anyone.
The state concluded its investigation and has decided not to press any charges based on what happened here.
Attorneys for the family say they have filed a wrongful death lawsuit to seek justice. The lawsuit says Williams' alleged attacker, another inmate, had a long history of sexual and physical violence.
The guards and the officers do not have adequate resources and time to go and make sure all of the inmates are accounted for, they're where they need to be, and that more violent offenders, because of overcrowding, are being allowed to stay in lower security areas.
Now, the lawsuit is expected to take years to litigate. Today, I've reached out to the Alabama Department of Corrections about the lawsuit. They have not responded to my request. In the newsroom, Scott Minshall, CBS 42 News.